Hello everyone, my name is Juan Antonio. I'm a second year student from Zamorano University, and today I'm going to talk about an interesting topic. The topic is humans' connection with nature. So during this video I'm going to answer some questions about the topic. Um, First of all, according to United Nations in 2012, uh, they say more than half of world's population now live in cities. For example, in the United Kingdom, the typical 8-year-old is more better at recognizing video games characters than the common wildlife. So, what's my point with this? Some people never never seen nature like trees, wildlife, and camps. So some people lost her connection with nature. So in my case, I prefer rural areas. Why? Because in rural areas you have more connection with the nature, and also we have more healthy. So this is my my personal opinion about this. So I like to be outdoor with no connections because we with this activity we 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 are less stressed. So I was reading some information in one popular magazine in United States, and this article was published by Francis Moore Lapin, and he says now only 60% of American children 9 to 13 years old play outside unsupervised with other children as they have from time memory. The most interesting point in this article was a 9 years old said, I like to play indoors better because that's where all the electrical outlets. So what's the meaning of this? Uh, Today children prefer to have a internet connection than go away and take a walk in a forest. So they lost their connection to nature. So but they live in cities, so they never knows what about nature. uh, Second question is, what benefits could you get from living in a city, and what benefits could you get living away from it? So as you know, in a city we have everything that I want. So we have facilities like a hospital, we have fast food places, a lot of stories, cell phone stories, candy stories, etc. So I think that are some benefits that I get living in a city. But what benefits we we get living away from it? I think the most important benefit living away from a city is healthy. Why? Because in a city there is a lot of contamination. For example, in in a city there is a lot of carbon dioxide concentration, and this component is so toxic for our health. So living in away from a city, uh, there is no contaminations. So people who live it, people who live it in in places that are away from a city, more they have better healthy, and they can get several six. Uh, so the next question is, can urbanism be stopped? Okay. According to World Bank, in 2012, the world population will be 9,007 millions in 2050. So the urbanism can't be stopped because the population is more, and more through the years. So I think people every year uh, go go to the cities, and they wants to live in because they find a job, or there is the family, or other cases. So, and the last question is, how can this connection be promoted? The connection with humans in nature. So people who never seen nature is people who live in cities. So the solution of this kind of people is they have to take a travel and go away from the cities, and they have to take vacations and forget all who that is relation to the city, and go to places like forests, lakes, and others that can permit make a connection with nature. Okay, this is my point of view about this topic, and thanks for watching.